Well, hello everyone. Inviting you to Kyle's Motor Garage. Just purchased a Z125 Pro, and I started stunting on it. As you can see, my friends here are doing the same on their bikes. Should be fun. There we go. That's nice, perfect. Clutch sticks.
Fucking mic control wasn't working. What's up, little nigga?
What's up? You starting to use the brake on that?
I was just trying it, dude. That shit's so fucking scary. Once I got I was doing first and second, brought it all the way up, and I'm slamming the brake back. Once I get to that point, I'm just fucking.
Okay, so what I did, you know how they say bring it up with the brake? Just do that, and then just bring it to where you normally bring it to. Don't go past that. You know what I mean? Until you get used to bringing it to right there. Yeah. And then go a little bit further. But bring it up with the brake too, for sure.
Like Alex was saying though, because I've been in third gear, that's the longest gear, so I can run it out longer. He was trying to say do it in first or second. So I've been trying first or second, it just pops up way too fast.
It's hella torquey. Yeah. But that'll get you good on your foot brake for sure.
So I don't know if I should be doing third or second.
I would do second. It's torquey enough in second. That second, the second was like first gear.
Yeah, I'm covered in mud.
You look, yeah, so are your legs.
Oh, that's gonna be whack.
This should be fun.
They make fucking washing machines for me.
Right? I got a few hours until I gotta go. Well, I don't have to go, but you know, I can. How long you guys been here?
30 minutes.
Oh, okay. You getting on the dirt?
Huh?
You getting on the dirt? Is that where that's from?
Nah, it's from the pavement.
No, I mean, are you all up in the dirt over there, or are you? Yeah, of course you're gonna get fucking dirty then. This guy. He said, "No, I'm on the pavement." Dick.